Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I'm showing you how to design logo with grid. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Show grid first. Go to view panel and snap to grid. Make a lines with line segment tool. Copy and rotate it. Make a circle with ellipse tool. Make a line in the top of both lines. Select both files and make a shape with Shape Builder. Round the corner. Convert into fill. Make a circle with ellipse tool and copy it. Select both circles and merge with Shape Builder. Put it in the bottom of logo and align it. Select both files and delete extra shapes. Round the corners. Hide grid. Make a background shape. Put logo in it and bring it on front. Give gradients in it. Now put text in it. I'm using Coca Goose and Calibri fonts, link in description. Here you go and download it. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.